Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Motorola Moto G67 and Moto G77. There is not much difference between these phones. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP64 rating. Next, compare display features. Both phones come with 6.8 inches AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both devices are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. They offer two rear cameras and also 32 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connected HD speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.